In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change backup quality on Google Photos desktop. If you use Google Photos on your computer, adjusting the backup quality is a simple way to control how much storage your photos and videos use. This is especially helpful if you want to keep everything in full resolution, or if you'd rather save space in your Google account for future uploads. To get started, open Google Photos in your desktop browser and go to Settings. If you're asked to sign in, log into your Google account first so you can access your backup preferences. Once you're in Settings, look for the Backup Quality section. Here, you'll see the available quality options for future uploads from your computer. The first option is Original Quality. This keeps your photos and videos at their full resolution and preserves their original quality. It's the best choice if you don't want any compression, but keep in mind that it uses your Google account storage quota more quickly. The second option is Storage Saver. This setting compresses photos and videos so they take up less space. Photos larger than 16 megapixels may be reduced in size, and videos above 1080p may be converted to 1080p. This option is useful if you want to make your storage last longer while still keeping your media backed up in good quality. Simply choose the option you want and the change saves automatically. You don't need to click a separate save button. Just remember that this updated setting only applies to future uploads from your computer. It won't automatically change files that have already been backed up. If you previously uploaded photos in original quality and now want to save storage, you can convert eligible existing backups. To do that, open Google Photos, click Settings, and then select Manage Storage. Under the Recover Storage section, choose Convert Existing Photos and Videos to Storage Saver. Before you do this, it's important to know that this change is permanent for eligible existing backups. In other words, once those files are converted, you can't restore them to their original backed up quality through Google Photos. Also, Google only allows this storage recovery process to be run once per day, so make sure you're ready before you confirm it. If you ever want to check the backup quality of a specific photo, open that photo in Google Photos and click the Info button. In the Details section, you'll be able to see file information along with the backup quality used for that item. That's all it takes to change backup quality on Google Photos desktop and manage your storage more efficiently.